This is my 2007 BMW R1200 GS.
And over the last month, I have resurrected this bike and have been upgrading it on a budget. And this episode, we're going to be starting a 7,000 mile road trip. If you're new to this series, check out part 1 here. That time we checked the oil, make sure it's got oil in it. That's good. Tire looks good, feels good. I never checked the front tire. That's good. Okay, we're probably good. There we go. Alright, let's go. Forgot to ride. Alright guys, if you've been keeping up so far, I officially am down one drone. My DSLR batteries are gone, which makes my camera useless. The power bank that lets me do time lapses with the Insta360 also gone. The invisible pole mount for my bike done, broken, and an SD card adapter that I use to transfer footage onto my computer all gone. So bear with me because I did end up ordering replacement stuff and will be picking it up here soon. On today's journey, we're going from Big Bear Lake to Malibu, where there's a really cool RV park that you can rent a campsite from. Before I went there, I needed to hit the beach though. I was really excited about the beach, but soon found out that it was extremely rocky and I had picked the worst beach for swimming, so I really didn't stay too long. The Malibu coastline was an awesome place to ride. The air felt great, always something nice to look at. And I was excited to see this camp spot in person that I'd been looking at online for months. When I got there, it sure didn't disappoint. So far, this has been the chillest day of the journey, and I had something special planned. While I was cooking, I ended up making some new friends.
To light ours.
Oh,
or do you have a lighter?
Like, you know, I was like excited because like I wanted to spend the money and like do a surf and turf. That was the whole point of
surf and turf. Just surf and drive away and surf again. Or?
It's my honor to introduce you to
the Malibu. I was gonna do like the Malibu and do a surf and turf, and then from here, that's it.
These two legends came from Germany to ride bicycles from Los Angeles all the way to Vancouver. That's so insane. They came up to me needing a place to stay, and of course I let them share my campsite. We ended up talking for a bit, and I finally got to finish my surf and turf.
I told you guys. Literally, this is what I did it for.
If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you. And honestly, guys, I'm really trying to make these longer, but I'm still learning a lot this first week, so bear with me, and I hope to see you at the next one.